Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on different methods of multiplication. Multiplication is one of the operations which can be done using a number of different methods. Example 1. Each box of cakes above holds 9 cakes. How many cakes are there altogether? The solution. One way of solving the above problem is by using base 10 materials. Now let's have a look at what we've done here. Here we've got 9 ones. That represents the number of cakes in the first box, the number of cakes in the second box, the number of cakes in the third box, which is 3 lots of 9. Now, after rearranging, we have the following. Now, see here, we have 10 ones. What we do is we take that one away there and we put it here. So that gives us 10 ones there. We take that one away and we put it there. That gives us 10 ones here. And in this pile we're left with 7 ones. So, can you see that this lot of 10 here, which are 10 ones, they can be traded for that, a long, which represents 10. This here, this group of 10 ones there, can be traded for one long, which represents 10. And here we have our 7 singles, which is from here. So there, the 7 singles have been taken down to there. So what do we have? 10, 20, plus another 7 gives us 27. So that's how we solve that problem using base 10 materials, and we use a little bit of trading to help us. Another way of solving this problem is by using a number line. Now here I have a simple number line from 0 to 30. We saw earlier that we needed to calculate the value of 3 lots of 9. This could be represented by 3 times 9, which is 3 lots of 9, or 9 plus 9 plus 9. We can use the number line as follows. Here it says start at 0 and count 3 lots of 9. This will give you the answer 3 times 9 equals 27. So what that means, you start at 0 and we go like this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So there is our first lot of 9. Now we start here now, we go again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There is our second lot of 9. And we go once more because there are 3 lots of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And we've landed here, and that is why the answer is 27. So 3 lots of 9 gives us 27. The third way we can use is the simple algorithm. We need to know our tables. So if you write the simple algorithm like this, 3 nines are 27, and that is a very efficient way of doing it, but you need to know your tables well. The algorithm revisited. The algorithm is the highly preferred method we use for solving multiplication problems. If we know our tables well, this method is very efficient. Let's look at a few examples. If we have to work out 58 multiplied by 3, 3 eighths are 24, you put down the 4, and that gives you 2 lots of 10. 3 fives are 15, plus 2 is 17, and the answer is 174. The next example, 785 times 7. 7 fives are 35. Put down the 5 and you have 3 lots of 10. 7 eighths are 56, plus 3 is 59. Put down the 9 and you have 5 lots of 100. 7 sevens are 49, plus 5 is 54, so the answer is 5,495. And the last example, 849 times 6. 6 nines are 54. Put down the 4 and carry the 5, so you've got 5 lots of 10. 6 fours are 24, plus 5 is 29. Put down the 9, you've got 2 lots of 100. 6 eights are 48, plus 2 is 50, so you have 5,094. So you can see that using the algorithm is very quick, it is very efficient, but you really need to know your tables well.